Hi, Chandler Daggett here with MarineMax in Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. And today we've got a 2022 350 SLX. It's got the twin 8-tube big blocks. It does have Axios joystick. It's got a heck of an upgraded stereo system. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. You guys take a look, and if you got any questions, give me a call at 573-480-4549, or as always, check us out online at MarineMax.com. We start here at the back of the boat, at transom. We've got this cutout hydraulic swim platform that does go down into the water. You got your cooler tie downs. Of course, you've got your chase loungers under here. And you can see JL audio speakers throughout the boat. This has got a massive stereo upgrade in it. As we walk our way through into the cockpit, huge wraparound seating. Stone interior with the sea deck. You've got the head there. Nice passenger seat on the port side, and then the helm seat does come equipped with the Axios skyhook, twin Simrads. Of course, it does have twin big block 8.2s. So we make our way forward through the bow. Nice lounge seating here, and then you've got the removable tables or swim pad there. So come check this out. It's a 2022 350 SLX located here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. Give me a call. This is Chandler Daggett at 573-480-4549. Thank you.